To set up a rendering, open up your camera view, go to View tab, click Render. For interior renderings, you go to Interior, Sun, and Artificial. For exterior, you go to Exterior, Sun, and Artificial. Since this is an interior view, I'm going to go to Interior, Close, always hit Save. Then Render in Cloud, hit Continue. And then depending if you need a final or standard quality, select that, and then start rendering. If anything pops up, hit OK, and then continue in background. Once this stops spinning, that lets you know that your rendering is done, and you can go to Render Gallery. When you're in your Render Gallery, you can see if things are still trying to render, or if things are completed, you can view renderings here, and then download them. To download them, you click on the arrow and go to Download Image. You then can go to Show in Folder, and then right-click that image copy, and then paste it into your RA folder where it should go.